wasn't comfortable at all. It's giving me the shits all night. I've been awake since like 3. The hallway light was coming through here. You can't see it now because I've got these lights on. And I went out there to try and undo light bulbs and things like that. It's tiny, there's no room to swing a cat. Anyway, good morning from Flagstaff. We are heading out early because Damien's got the shits. He hasn't had a good night either. We're going to quickly wash the bikes, come back, get all our stuff, and head to Sedona. I've just booked some accommodation. We're going to ride Sedona and around to Jerome, just have a look around in the morning, but I want to be really putting my legs up at, well, not my legs up, I'm just relaxing at around lunchtime, because we're only staying one night in Sedona now. We're going to get to Vegas a day earlier, and there's an expo on there that's part of what Damien's job is about, so he's going to go to that expo Wednesday, and I'm going to find a place to have a facial. Anyway, let's go and clean the bikes. Well, we're here at the car wash. Just going to give them a bit of a rinse. Well, down there is Route 66, which we're going on as soon as Damien has his coffee. We're about 45 minutes from Sedona. We're going to our hotel, we're going to dump our stuff and go for a ride around to Jerome. Have you had... This is his coffee. Oh, it's a fail, I can tell. This nose screws up the whole thing. Nothing's going to beat yesterday's Durango.
No, Durango's coffee is the ultimate.
Is the ultimate. Yeah. Even almost as good as Australia. Let's talk about today.
You cut me off.
Come on. Is it? What do you score that?
Oh, I'm going to give that about 2.5.
Oh, it's a massive fail then. Yeah. This is where we stayed last night, which is right in the middle of town. But the most uncomfortable beds, the tiniest room, no TV, and it cost, I think it was like $240 US, like ridiculous. It's not worth it. The accommodation has been super expensive, I must say.
Outside another yellow moon has punched a hole in the nighttime, yes. I climb from my window and down to the street, yet I'm shining like a new dime, and downtown trades afoot. All them Brooklyn girls, they try to break free from the little world, but you wave your arms and they scatter like gold. There is nothing that could ever capture your heart. They are just thorns without a road. Be careful of them in the dark. Yeah, and if I could be the one, you was your only one. Can't you hear me now? Can't you hear me now? Will I see you tonight on a downtown train?
Well, they're letting us check in really early, which is fabulous, so we can dump all our stuff and we'll go for a ride to Jerome and do some stuff. So we're right here. I'll just tell him. Beautiful. Amazing. Now this was $240 for one night, which is about $350 Australian. It's a fabulous bloody hotel we've got here, the Orchids Inn of Sedona. Highly recommend this place. Just waiting for Damien as we get our way to the cathedral in the rocks, Jerome, down the mountain and loop back into Sedona. So it's about 2.5 hours riding. I want to get back here for lunch and walk around and relax. This is the road to Jerome, which is about 45 minutes from Sedona. It's set a little town set in the mountains. I'll tell you about it when we get there.
Every night is just the same. Yeah, leave me lonely. Well, I know your window and I know it's late. I know you'll stay
Very steampunk inspired town as well. Very cool stuff. So Damien's chatting. Damien's just chatting. I can't find my sunglasses, so I want to get back to the bike. See if I've left them on there. Eyes get so watery. And down the hill is that. And I'm going to look in here, Ghost Rider. Our bikes are down there somewhere. Right, leaving Jerome, I can't find my sunglasses, so Damien has kindly given me his. He's got a sun visor in his helmet, so I've got spares back at the hotel, but they were my nice little Ray-Bans. We're leaving Jerome. We're going to church now in the Red Rock. I've managed to get Damien to do a tourist thing. I'm watching you watching my bike. I wasn't even expecting to do this. So. Guess what? Damien's chatting. I'm just going to get on the bike and start it up. What do you think? Right, I've been to church now. That's extraordinary, look at it. Back to our hotel, have a drink. I'm dying of thirst. Maybe some lunch, look around the shops and relax. I so need a break. We're having Mexican. I'm having, what is this tequila drink I'm having? It's a cactus, prickly pear margarita, it's cactus. Stacey's making our guacamole in front of us. This is how they do it over here. We found out some information about Jerome. The streets are lined with concrete and ashes of dead people. It's the largest ghost town in America. This well-to-do Englishman pioneered it and bought the copper mine up there and made millions and got the Spanish and Mexicans working for him. Anyway, him and his wife had a child. His wife's maiden name was Jerome. That's how it got its name, we think. This is another story we got. And they had a child, and their son, you might have heard of him, Winston Churchill. We're just trying to ask Google now if this is correct. We're hearing lots of stories over here.
Hey, how you doing, all?
So we're here in Sedona, and Gregory and Paula have come to meet us, and we're going to have some drinks, sharing their nachos already. Where are you guys from again? Tell us.
We're from Gilbert, Arizona. It's just southeast of Phoenix.
Come specially to see us.
Just to see you, because I've been following you for years, and you've always been a bright spot in the world of motorcycles.
Oh, thank you.
You know, I love it when women lead the way and set an example for other women to follow.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yes, and he showed me some of your videos.
Yeah.
So I said, yeah, I'll go. But originally he was going to ride the bike.
Yes, yeah, because
I'll
put a picture of Dale's bike in. I'll show you a picture in a minute when
I said, you know me, I won't ride. I said, I'll have to follow you in the car.
Yeah, she gave me a Christmas present last year. She let me take her to breakfast.
On the bike.
And the restaurant just around the corner from the house. So.
Yeah.
Right. So, Paula, you're not that keen on being on the bike. No.
That's why you're there.
58, I think I just
Something
sent out.
like that.
Anyway. All right, this is the end of this video. So goodbye, everybody. Tomorrow we head to Vegas.